Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make homemade whipped cream, which is very good, very easy, tastes great, simple to make, and it really tastes good. You're going to need a mixing bowl and one of these, but you're not going to use this to make the whipped cream. You're just going to use this to mix the ingredients. I saw a video where this girl was telling you could make whipped cream just by hand with one of these, and she did like a time-lapse video, and she was going, now you just stir for like 5 minutes. That's baloney. I tried it by hand last night, and I'm telling you, I worked my butt off, and I'm a construction worker. So, we're going to make the whipped cream in a blender. Are you getting the blender? Okay, we're going to make the whipped cream here, but we're going to mix our ingredients in a bowl and this whisk. The ingredients are very, very simple. Heavy whipping cream, get a decent brand. Shake it up. Should be fairly cold, doesn't have to be super cold, but you just pour some in there. That looks pretty good, I guess. Then you add some sugar to taste. I'm not going to give you measurements because just make it the way you want. I'm using granular sugar. I've heard powdered sugar is really good, confectioner sugar, but I don't have any, so I'm just going to use granulated sugar. I put 1, 2, 3, what the heck, 4. And let's just see what it tastes like a little bit there. I'll stir it up a little. Just give it a good little, okay. Make sure your finger is clean when you stick it in there. So that was 4, I'm going to go 5, and I'm going to go 6, and I'm going to go about 7 teaspoons. Well, they were kind of heaping teaspoons. If it's too sweet, I'll put a little more cream in it. Alright, so we're going to do that. That's getting there. I think I'm going to put 2 more. So that's going to be 9 heaping teaspoons of sugar. So yeah, there's a lot of sugar in this stuff. That's pretty good, but I think I'll make it an even 10. Big old heaping, maybe 11 for good luck. Then, you want to, well, you can stop there and make it and you're done, but I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla. I try to get something that just seems to have vanilla bean. Some of those vanilla extract products have a lot of junk in them, so I don't know, but I'll try this one out. I just bought it, and it says just vanilla bean. It was a little pricey, so I bet it's a real thing. I've noticed vanilla beans are very expensive. I'm putting a pretty good splash in there, and give it a little mix. That's pretty good. Then, now this is just for me, but I'll squirt some orange juice in this thing. I'm always doctoring stuff, so I'm going to put a little orange juice in here. Some people will do the rind, grind the rind, but the problem is this is where all the poison goes when the farmers poison their plants. So I'm kind of leery of doing the rind too much. So I'm just going to squirt some orange juice in there. Mix it up a little bit. Tastes pretty good. Then my last ultra secret ingredient is Tabasco sauce. Just kidding. No, don't put Tabasco sauce. Alright. And you know what? what the heck, let's be decadent, and I'm putting another teaspoon of sugar in there. And I think I want a little more orange in there. Give it a little mix. You know, I think for the heck of it, because I really like stuff to be, I'm going to try just a couple of drops of lemon, just to really give it some kind of. And we're going to use this on top of strawberries. We made some last night, and oh man, was it good. But I didn't put any lemon in it. Sure was good, though. All right, next step, this is it. Just pour it in your blender. Pour it in your blender and let your blender do the work. Now, of course, it's going to get noisy. I use the pulse button so I can let off whenever I want to. Alright, now just for the heck of it, what I will do is just kind of push that stuff down there a little bit. Well, can't find what I'm looking for, so I'll just use this thing. I'm just going to kind of push down on it a little bit, kind of mix it from the sides a little bit. And basically, it's pretty darn good. And here we go, a little more. That is it. Now, of course, I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it in a bowl, of course, and put it in the refrigerator and chill it, and it comes out really good. Let me try something else. First thing we have to do, take this attachment out of here. Where's that rubber? Oh well, I'll just have to use a spoon. Okay, come on over here. Okay, we're gonna. Okay. Oh wow, that's good. That is really good. Super easy, fresh. There you go. Let me check that out. And when you refrigerate it for like, an hour, it gets even better. It's real. This stuff is really good. Look at that. And I mean, you eat strawberries with this, you're going to love it. So, thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoy it. And this is really super easy to make. It tastes great. And, man, it's great on strawberries. And here you go. As you can see, That's good whipped cream, and it tastes great. You adjust it to however you want. If you want to put Tabasco in it, you go right ahead. Anyway, thanks for watching. You know, would appreciate some likes and subscriptions, but you know, hey, what the heck? Happy eating.